Hey everybody, did you know you can go to colinmullen.com in order to get art and art prints? That's why I set up the website, colinmullen.com. So hey everybody, today I'm drawing some stuff that I'm not talking about because I don't know how good YouTube is at figuring it out. Anyway, I've been having a lot of fun doing digital art just because the setup time is a lot easier, but also I'm not good at digital art yet. And people who don't do art might be like, what? Even people who do art might be like, what? Like, isn't it the same thing? And I was describing it to my wife as that it's like a new tool, you know? It's like going from pencil to paint, you know? It's a very different tool. A lot of the things I already know still work, but it's a different tool with different rules and different benefits and downsides. The dreaded Control-Z that I've been trying to avoid for the longest time, I have now slowly come to accept into my life as a thing that is beneficial to my art, as long as I do not allow it to infect my brain. I've previously mentioned that I don't like the Control-Z because I will constantly just be hitting that, and you'll notice in this footage that I do that. I've actually done a few drawings that are that I've done digitally, and I'm most surprised and I enjoyed this one that I did of Pokemon the other day. I'm not going to show it because it's bad, but the most enjoyable part was I had I knew what I was going to draw, and it meant nothing to me. Like, if someone didn't understand what I was going for, it didn't matter. You know, like if someone doesn't understand that the Pokemon I was drawing was like my favorites, then it doesn't matter. I don't care. Like my heart is not wrapped up in it. And I realized that I was just having fun. And it was like, oh, neat. It's no spiritual quest. It's no like I'm making the world a better place. It's just screwing around for the sake of it. It was like doodling, but more advanced. Like where there's no end goal that would matter. And I've been enjoying that. Just the irrelevancy of it. It allows me to have a lot more acceptance in what I'm making as a result. But anyway, this one has a bit more of a meaning. If you don't know what it is, then time has marched on, or you don't read. And either way, I hope you enjoy it. If you did, let me know. If you didn't, let me know. I won't be selling this anywhere because of, copyright things. But regardless, I will see you guys in the next one. Wait, hold up. Did you know there are people on patreon.com/RevScarecrow who give me $5 or more a month in order to support the things that I'm doing? Well, that's what these people did, starting with my mom and dad. I love you. Thank you, Wapu. Thank you, Tofoundor. Thank you, Split. Thank you, Sophia Nope. Thank you, Skelecorgi. Thank you, Reverend Joe. Thank you, Pig Wrestler. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Mortis. Thank you, Michael Carr. Thank you, Micah. Thank you, Mario Pereira. Thank you, Kayla Hollinger. Thank you, Katie Vallon. Thank you, Josepher. Thank you, Gabriel Bennett. Thank you, Freak Wannabe. Thank you, Egg. Thank you, Count Cannoli. Thank you, Chiptune Glitch. Thank you, Bep. Thank you, Amber. Thank you, Aggie Wag. And thank you, Ats! Anyway, now I'm done. And I hope you have a good one. And I'll see you in the next one. Let me know what you think. Bye.